In this video, we're going to focus on what is pollution. And so first we have here the human impact of on the biosphere. Remember, that was all the livable areas. Humans use resources to meet their needs, and so that is really where their impact comes from. And so what is a natural resource? It's all the living and non-living factors that are produced by natural processes on the earth that are used every day. And then we have what is a renewable resource, and a natural resource that can be used over and over again. And so we have a water, because that goes through the cycle, remember, in air, in forests. Remember, we had that oxygen carbon cycle. Then we have non-renewable resources. And so those are not replaced by natural processes. So once you burn up the coal, it's not going to go through some cycle and make it again, or natural gas or petroleum. And like I said here, once you use them, you can't get more. It doesn't. Well, I can't say you can't. You can go dig up more, but it doesn't renew itself. Okay, so we have natural resources, and they can be broken down into two types: renewable and non-renewable. Okay, so what is pollution? And so we all produce waste during our activities. You're eating and going to the bathroom and driving your car and using pencils and crayons and computers and cell phones and everything else. And they need power, and that produces waste. And decomposers in the environment are organisms or plants that break down waste products in the environment. So I listed some: bacteria, plants, and fungi. So we have these decomposers that are breaking down waste, and we also have natural processes of wind and water and leaching and filtering by the soil that will remove some of the waste from the environment. And so when so much waste is being produced that natural processes and decomposers can't keep up with the waste produced, then you end up with pollution. Okay, so if you're just producing a tiny amount of waste, the natural bacteria, plants, fungi, earth processes will break that down. But if we just have like tons of pollution, it just can't keep up, and then we have a problem, and we have to figure out how to either reduce the amount of waste we're producing, or process it better, or not produce the waste at all.